The Active Chain Control tool can be found under Applications, Geopack Road, Active Chain Control. The way this tool works is it will allow you to navigate your plan, your profile, and your cross-section file at the same time, and you can work on whichever one is your active file. If I decide my plan to be my active file, then I should go to File Reference, and I should make sure that my profile and my cross-section file are referencing to my plan DGN. Now it's a matter of selecting the job and the main chain you want to use as your active chain. You can also ID it from the file by clicking the ID button. Now you will see you have this icon representing the profile cell status and the cross-section cell status. Basically, when you right click that and you click on Profile Cell Control, if your profile file is referenced, and in this case it is, and viewable, then it will recognize the profile cell that's already plotted. Otherwise, you can create your own profile cell and place a new profile cell if you want to use a new one. And that's why this icon is colored, because the profile is available. Otherwise, it will be grayed out. Same thing for the cross sections. You see it colored, that means that the cross sections are referenced and viewable in the design file. Now you have a series of views here. Each one of these numbers represents a view in MicroStation. So you can open view 2 and view 3, and you can right click view number 1 and say I want to make that my plan view. Right click view number 2 and say I want to make that my profile view, and right click view number 3 and say I want to make that my cross-section view. Now you see that you can move your mouse around your plan, and you're getting a locator along the profile, and also the cross sections are updating, showing you the corresponding cross section from that position in plan. You can go to the profile view and you see how I'm getting a locator along the plan, and it's also updating the corresponding cross sections. I can go to my cross section view, and as I move up and down I see my locator on the profile on this particular cross section, and I can see where I'm at offset wise from my chain main line. Also, under cross section view, you can right click it again and click on cross section navigate, and this will allow you to navigate one by one your cross sections. Go to the last one or start at the first one and move around that way. You also have a tool here called Curvilinear Coordinates, and this tool can be very useful because you will not only read out the coordinates of where you're at in terms of curvilinear coordinates. You have your station and offset. Here you get your elevation and offset, and here you get your station elevation depending on the view you're in. But you can also lock a specific value and offset. You can use the temporary lock, which would allow you to do one command. For example, I can say place line in MicroStation and hit apply to that station offset, and I located that point, and now the lock is off. Or you could turn on the permanent lock and lock it. So I can use this tool in any of the three views to locate or lock a specific position, station, offset, elevation.